Okay, well, first of all, this is a 5 horsepower John Deere engine, go-kart engine. I am currently taking off I would say this is the crankcase. I am not so sure. I know nothing about go-kart engines, but I'm doing this for a science project, and after I show you guys how clean it is, how good it is, and how good it runs after I figure out what's wrong with it. I am going to throw dirt, um, mostly dirt, rocks, and whatever else in here to show you guys what happens and what not to do with the engine. So, yes, I am freehanding it right now, just with one hand. So, I'm sorry if I have to put the camera down just to turn the engine and all that, but I'm going to try to do it with one hand. It's probably not the best idea because a lot of these parts can snap off. Okay. So, yeah, for a science project, this is going to be part 1 of 2. I'm probably going to get this engine tore down and fixed. So, but yeah, you guys can go ahead and judge me and do whatever you guys want to do, because hypocrites and critics can be whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna do another video after this, probably with my stealth, and show you guys what I am going to be doing with it and what's gonna happen with it. God damn it. I got told in the last video not to swear as much as I do, and yeah, it's kind of hard for me, but I'm gonna try my best. So, little thing about this engine is I got it off of, I just realized that, yeah, that is some really old oil. Son of a bitch. Fuck. To be honest, I don't even care. But yeah, tell me what part of the video you saw that in, like when it started to come out, because I just noticed it, and well, I didn't even realize it had that much oil in it. When I looked at it, there's only about, where's the dipstick? There's only about, oh good, right up to here on it. So it didn't look like much, but there was a lot in there. It's still coming out too. But what you gonna do? How are you gonna stop it? But a little thing about this engine is I got it off of a friend. I got this one for the blue go-kart. I don't know if you saw it in the previous video. And I got one on the red one, which I know you saw in the previous video. And I also have, shit. Yeah, like, that is black. That is blacker than a black guy. Not being racist, but it's blacker than a black guy. So, oh shit. Oh, there's one right here. I'm retarded. So I just got told to do a video on this. I wish I had Tyler, but He's inside eating pizza, and I decided to come out here and work on the engine and show everybody, because I'm supposed to get 2 videos done within this day. I should have drained the oil before. I should have checked it. But you know what? I'm special. So we're just gonna take it apart, which is gonna take me some time because, like I said, I know nothing about this engine. I don't know where it was originated from. I don't know where it was, who had it before Joey. Please don't tell me there's another thing I have to do. Do I have to take this out? I'll take it out anyway. I hope this works. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's all fucked. Excuse the language. I don't think. I'm just. I can see it coming out. Let's see if I can get this in there. Huh. I know it wants to. You know, this is all the light I have right now coming from that window. Oh, I could get a hammer here and hit that, but I don't want to. But like I said, I don't care for this engine. There it goes. I don't care for this engine. It can go in a dumpster. It can do whatever. But I'm going to put the phone down for a second, so you guys might see blackness. But I'm going to keep talking and while I turn this and pull it off. So, about my car. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know what I should do with it. But if you guys have any suggestions, post it down in the comments below. Oh my god, this oil is just... Oh, okay. Okay. So... Fuck. Can't pick the phone